Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Pedrozatravel channel. Today we will be walking down 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. We will be walking and talking a little bit about the history of Playa del Carmen, and we are going to start in what is known as a common area, the pier. But the pier is actually a very historic place for Playa del Carmen. One of the defining moments in Playa del Carmen's history was the construction of the ferry pier in the late 1990s. This allowed for direct access to Cozumel, further boosting the town's tourism industry. And now that we are off the pier, I can say, welcome to Playa del Carmen. Nestled in the beautiful Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico's Riviera Maya, Playa del Carmen has transformed from a small fishing village into one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. But it wasn't always like this. In the early 1900s, Playa del Carmen was a humble coastal village inhabited by local fishermen. Its name, Playa del Carmen, translates to Carmen's Beach, named after Virgin of Carmen, a Catholic saint widely venerated by the locals. Back then, the town was barely on the map. With only a handful of homes and a population living off the sea, life here evolved around small-scale fishing and trading. But all that changed when this area became part of a burgeoning tourism boom in the 1970s. In the 1970s, the Mexican government began developing the nearby town of Cancun. The growing interest in the city of Cancun opened up the entire Riviera Maya for new development, and Playa del Carmen quickly became a favorite stop for those looking for a quieter, more authentic alternative to Cancun's larger resorts. As the decades passed, Playa del Carmen began to attract not just tourists, but also a mix of expatriates from around the world. Playa, the town's unique charm, with its laid-back vibe, beautiful beaches, and proximity to ancient Mayan ruins, make it an irresistible destination. Today, as you walk down 5th Avenue, the heart of Playa del Carmen, you are stepping into what was once a quiet rural beach town. This pedestrian street is now lined with shops, restaurants, bars, and art galleries, serving as the main commercial center of Playa del Carmen. 5th Avenue has become the place to experience the vibrant culture of Playa del Carmen. You'll find a mix of international cuisine, local handicrafts, and street performances, a reflection of the town's diverse multicultural character. The rapid development of Playa del Carmen is closely tied to the growth of the tourism industry here in Mexico, especially the rise of the all-inclusive resorts and international flights. Over the years, the town has steadily grown into a bustling hub for both international visitors and locals. Playa del Carmen's success isn't just about its beaches. Just a short boat ride away is the island of Cozumel, and a quick drive leads to the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum and the famous cenotes of the region. This central location has made Playa del Carmen an even more attractive spot for travelers looking to explore all that the Riviera Maya has to offer. Today, Playa del Carmen is known for much more than just tourism. Its rich cultural heritage, reflected in the food, music, and traditions, continues to thrive. I encourage you to go offbeat sometimes. Local restaurants such as this one, found in a local mall, offer visitors a taste of authentic Yucatan flavors. From tacos to fresh prepared seafood, there's a lot to try out. This particular dish is known as an alambre, and it's basically a sample platter of local meats.
I'm waiting for
Though Playa del Carmen has certainly grown, it is important to remember its roots. In fact, if you wander down the quieter side streets away from 5th Avenue, you can still see remnants of the old Playa del Carmen. The narrow roads, the colorful homes, and the community atmosphere that has remained a core part of the town's identity. As we make our way towards the beach, you can imagine the Playa del Carmen of the past. A small, peaceful village with nothing more than a few fishing boats lined in the shore. But now this beautiful town welcomes millions of visitors every year. offering an extraordinary blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. So whether you're here to relax on its pristine beaches, explore ancient ruins nearby, or just soak up the vibrant atmosphere, Playa del Carmen's story is one of transformation, from a quiet fishing village to a global tourist destination. Thanks for walking with me through the history of Playa del Carmen. This town continues to evolve, but its heart, its soul, and its charm remain as strong as ever.